everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. As you can see by the title of this video, it is going to be a hair tutorial. Yes, you heard right, a hair tutorial. I'm just gonna show you guys in this video how I get my half up, half down look that I've been rocking on Instagram lately. You guys have been showing me so much love and I've gotten so many requests to create a tutorial on this hairstyle. So if you want to see how I create this look, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first, I'm going to be using a little bit of this IGK dry shampoo. This is the Direct Flight. This is a multitask dry shampoo. It's a medium cleanse level. The last time I washed my hair was like 2 days ago, so it does have a little bit of oil, but this is going to help me obviously reduce the oil and it's going to give me a little bit of texture. And I like to apply it directly onto the root first, let it sit, and then kind of massage it into my head. This is going to help you add a little texture to the hair. I also like to part my hair right in the center and then just run it through there. So once I've applied the dry shampoo, I just like to massage it into my head. I know some dry shampoos tend to leave a white residue. This one doesn't do that, which is the main reason why I love using the shampoo. And it doesn't leave my hair feeling very stiff. If you have clean hair, then you can go ahead and skip this step. So next, what I like to do is I like to grab a teasing comb, and this has a tip. And what I like to do is I like to just follow the guide of where my ear starts and just follow that upwards, and that's gonna help me divide my hair. And then I continue that guide, and you can pretty much feel where you're going and just create that guide for yourself where the other side of the ear is. And then you're just gonna grab all of that hair, and it doesn't have to be a lot because we are gonna be clipping on extensions, so you don't have to worry about it not being enough hair. We're just gonna go ahead and put that in a ponytail, and then you can go ahead and just put it into a cute little bun. So now that this portion of your hair is out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and clip in just 2 extensions. This one has 3 clips and this one has 2. So we are gonna go ahead and clip in the 3 right down here and the 2 up here. And that's just gonna give you a little bit more volume. And what I like to do is I like to just follow, again, where my ear starts with my nail, or you can do it with a brush, and I like to just separate that part. And then I just clip that part up here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab sections from that and then just tease and then continue that all around. Teasing this part of the hair is going to allow the extension to grip a lot better than not teasing it. And what you can also do is just put a little bit of dry shampoo there too to give you a little bit more texture, and that's gonna give it an extra hold. And then we're just gonna clip that in. And the extension is the same length of my hair. I just like my hair to look a lot more full. And the second extension, we're just gonna clip right above that. And you do the same method. Now we're gonna let the rest of the hair down. And now you can see that the hair is a little bit fuller and you can go ahead and start curling. So now we're just gonna divide the hair right in the middle. and I'm gonna go ahead and start curling. So I like to separate all of the hair, so I like to do one side at a time. So to curl the hair, I'm gonna be using this Numi. This is the 25mm wand, and I love using it because this is gonna give you that really nice perfect wave. It's not too curly and it's not too loose. It's kind of right in between. And to start off, we're just going to start parting the hair. I always like to curl the hair outwards like this. And again, I like to twirl the hair and then hold. This is just going to help you keep the heat in. And then it should give you this curl right here. And you continue grabbing sections of your hair and continue curling. And sometimes I like to do thicker pieces and smaller pieces in between to give me a little bit of variety in the curl, and it just looks a little bit fuller. If you are very sensitive to heat, I would highly recommend to use a glove, but I'm always trying to be brave and knowing that I probably will burn myself sometimes, because it has happened. In my last video, I did mention that when I curl my hair and I hold it, I do like to twirl the wand. That's so the hair doesn't stick to the wand and you get less hair damage. This is really important for me because it took me so long to get my hair this long, and I don't want to just trim it because I'm putting too much heat on it. And you guys know I'm always going to events, and sometimes I have to do my hair more than twice a week, and putting all that heat is just not necessary for my hair. So just doing little things like that also helps. Let me know in the comments down below if you want an in-depth hair care tutorial, because I would love to do that. So next I'm going to be applying this Elanette satin hairspray. This is the extra strong hold, and this disappears at the stroke of a brush, and that's one of the main reasons why I love to use this hairspray, because it doesn't flake. So I put a generous amount of this, and of course we're gonna go ahead and shake it first. I pick up the hair and I just go ahead and spray, spray, spray. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then I'll be right back. So now that we have both sides curled, we're gonna go ahead and do the top portion. When it comes to the actual ponytail, I like my ponytail to look very clean, very sleek. I like to put a generous amount of hairspray, and with that same teasing comb, I like to make the ponytail as sleek as possible. Almost giving yourself like a mini facelift. So now we're gonna go ahead and make the ponytail. And I like to make it as tight as possible. So next we're gonna go ahead and use our ponytail extension. This one I got from the hair shop, and I really love using this because it's super, super easy to use and it's very secure. When it comes to ponytails, I feel like if it's not a secure ponytail, then don't waste your time, because I don't want to be worrying about my ponytail falling apart. So this I love because not only does it have a clip, as you can see, it also is a Velcro, so you're super easy to wrap around, and it has this extra hair so you can wrap around the ponytail like this, which you guys will see how I do it. So typically with this ponytail extension, you would just clip it in this way, but I like to do it the other way. So I like to clip it right behind, so I bring this part of the hair forward. So we're just gonna go ahead and clip this part of the extension right where the ponytail starts, and then the right side of the hair where the Velcro starts, we're gonna put it underneath and wrap it on the ponytail, and then we're gonna grab the extension part and we're just going to wrap it around and make sure that the Velcro is attached, and we're just gonna continue wrapping that around. And then we're gonna bring it back. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the bobby pin, and we're just going to secure the hair and pin it down. I typically just put 2 in just to make sure it's secure. And then it gives you that little nice volume. and then your hair should look like this. So now to the curling part. I always like to divide my hair in half. It has a little curl because I obviously have curled it before, but it does go straight again. So what I like to do is I like to brush it all out. And then again, I like to work in sections. So I like to start towards the back. And then we're gonna go ahead and start the same process and curling it. I really love this hair because it definitely holds a curl. And then again, you just want to work in sections. And I like to do smaller and thicker sections with this as well. Always keep the heat within the hair so it can hold the curl a little bit more throughout the day. When I do grab thicker sections, I do like to hold the hair tight to the wand just so it can get through the actual hair, but then I like to twirl it so it doesn't stick to the hair. And as you can see, my hair obviously was a lot shorter, so when it comes to my actual hair, what I like to do is I just like to curl the tip so it kind of flows with the rest of the curls, because I don't want it to be super curly up here because then it won't look super even. I'm gonna go ahead and put a generous amount of hairspray. Alright, so now that we have all of the hair curled, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a brush. You can use any brush. This one is the Agave Healing Oil brush. We're gonna just run our brush through our hair. And as you can see, it gives you a really nice wave. And you can also grab the ponytail and do the same thing. And picking up a little bit of the Elanette satin hairspray, we're just gonna spray our hair one more time. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Let me know if you want more hair tutorials. Honestly, I'm not mad at how this hair tutorial came out because, as you guys know, I don't know how to do hair. Now I have 5 hairstyles that I know how to do. I know how to curl my hair, have it straight, do a ponytail, do a half up, half down, but like straight. And now I know how to style it curly. So technically that could be 5 hairstyles, but let me know what your thoughts are. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.